say beep. Perfect. Service complete.
Thanks, Fuse.
Noddy.
Huh?
There you are. I've done it. My giant jigsaw puzzle of Toyland is finished. Every single piece. It's on display outside the town hall.
Wow, let's go and see it. Bye, Fuse.
Goodbye.
Good day, Big Ears. We truly love the jigsaw puzzle.
Oh, thank you.
Hello, pirates.
Hurry, me hearties. Hello, Noddy. Nice day, eh? Raise the anchor!
Oh, Big Ears, jolly good jigsaw puzzle. Well done.
Well, it looks like everyone in Toyland has seen my jigsaw puzzle.
Oh, I thought you said it was finished.
It was. Where have all those pieces gone? Oh, dear.
Don't be sad, Big Ears. I'll find them for you. I need to investigate. Where are the missing jigsaw puzzle pieces? Time to open a new case. Investigate. Who? What? When? Where? Why? How? Let's investigate now. Let's call this the case of the missing jigsaw puzzle pieces.
Oh, dear. How will you even begin?
I'll check the box. Maybe the missing pieces are still inside it. No, it's empty. And they're not on the floor either, which means someone must have taken them.
But who?
I don't know, but they must have been taken when you were fetching me. Deltoid was looking at the jigsaw puzzle, and Smartysaurus, and Clockwork Mouse, and Carlton.
And the pirates were there too.
Yes, the pirates. They were being strange too, as if they didn't want anyone to know what was in their treasure chest.
Oh, do you think the pirates have the jigsaw pieces in there?
Maybe. Come on, Bumpy. Let's find the pirates. Big Ears, do you want to come too?
Thank you, but I'll stay here and keep looking. Good luck!
Bye, Big Ears. There they are. Hi, pirates.
Hello, Noddy. What can we do for ye?
I'm on an investigation. Some pieces are missing from Big Ear's jigsaw puzzle.
Jigsaw what? Don't know what you're talking about, lad.
So the Daredevil pirates didn't take them.
Oh, not us, lad. We didn't take any pieces at all.
But we did find this top-secret treasure map.
That isn't a treasure map. It's the lid to the jigsaw puzzle box.
Is it?
Oh.
You better have it back, then.
Thanks. At least now I know it wasn't you who took the missing pieces. Big Ears always says a good investigator looks and looks again. Let's go back to the town square. Maybe we missed something. Bye, pirates.
Bye, Noddy.
Oh,
Hello, Big Ears. Have you found anything?
no, nothing. Just a shiny marble.
Oh. Huh? What have you found, boy? There's another one. And another. Wow! Look! It's a trail of marbles.
Ooh. Thank you.
Let's follow it. It might lead to whoever took the jigsaw pieces. Thanks. It's the Naughtycorns. Wait!
Hi, Noddy. We're off to see Smartysaurus and play with our new marbles. Hey, what are you doing with them?
I think there might be a hole in your saddlebag.
Ooh, I found a shiny marble.
Oh.
Cloppycorn?
What? Huh? Oops.
We only said you could carry them because you promised to look after them. See you, Noddy.
No, wait a minute. I'm on an investigation. There are some pieces missing from Big Ear's jigsaw puzzle.
Oh, how many pieces?
Hold on.
Thanks, Noddy.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces. Do you know anything about it?
No, they were all there when we saw it.
And anyway, why would we want to take a few pieces from a jigsaw puzzle? We'd take the whole thing if we wanted it. Bye! No! Cloppycorn, are you coming or what?
Bye-bye.
That's a good question. Why would someone want those pieces? Let's see. The missing pieces are pictures of Deltoid's house, Smartysaurus's dino lab, the Naughtycorn stable, and the town square. Huh? Hi, Pat.
Come and play picnic! Picnic! Picnic!
Sorry, I can't play right now. I'm in the middle of an investigation.
Oh. Well, that's okay. We'll help you. Yay! 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 Picnic! Picnic! Here, have a piece of play cake and tell us all about it. Yay! Where's all the cake gone?
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait! There were 4 slices. Each of the pockets took a slice, and so did I. Maybe it's the same with the jigsaw puzzle. Maybe it wasn't one toy who took all the missing pieces. Maybe there were lots of toys who each took one. That's it.
Where are you going? I thought we were going to help you.
You have. Now I know how to solve the case. Thanks, Pat. Bye.
Bye, Noddy. Oh, good shot! Hi, Noddy. Have you found all those missing pieces yet?
Not yet. I need to talk to Cloppycorn.
Me? Why? I didn't take all those pieces.
I know, but did you maybe take just one of them?
Oh, yeah. The piece with our stable on it. It's in my saddlebag. Oh, I'm sorry. It was so pretty. I thought it wouldn't matter if I only took one tiny piece.
Deltoid, the picture of your home is missing.
I am sorry. It is true. I took it. I didn't think one little piece would make a difference.
And so did I. It was so pretty. Sorry, Noddy.
That's okay, but I think there's someone else you need to say sorry to. Deltoid, can I have the piece, please?
Yeah. Sorry.
Apologies accepted, my friends. Ooh. But there's still one piece missing. The town hall.
Tick-tock, tick-tock. Do try to keep up, Carlton. Oh, dear. Oh, no. There's a piece missing from the jigsaw puzzle. What's happened?
It's okay. Don't worry, Clockwork Mouse. I think Carlton might have it.
Oh. Here it is. It was such a beautiful picture at the town hall. I thought it would make a lovely present for Clockwork Mouth. I'm sorry.
Oh, thank you, Carlton. Most kind. But I think it's much better there for everyone to see. Don't you agree, Big Ears?
I do. Well done, Noddy. You solved the investigation.
Thanks. At first, I thought one toy had taken all the missing pieces. But then the pockets helped me realise that lots of toys had taken one piece each. Then all I had to do was find out where each piece was. The case of the missing jigsaw puzzle pieces is closed. So, there's just one thing to do. We've solved all the clues. Case closed!